All right, so cure this one for 30 seconds. I just use premium Iho Chan for foil. I feel like this one had to be on the side. And this is really done usually, but to double secure all your crystal charms and chains and all the beads, I am going to do it double secure using our precision glue. Did you turn that one off? It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay.
So just in case that anybody tuning in, this is gonna be a double secure and it keep going to the cracks and all of gap edges of the crystals. So as you see, each time I do, I just examine it a little bit and squeeze it. And little go a long way. You don't need a whole lot. As you see right here, I have a little like extra of my precision glue gel. If you see it closer, you see that how it's right there when I'm showing it. So what you want to do, it looks good, but if you want to be, it looks even better. You're gonna using the twin tip brush or the light brush, whatever brush that you have, and you just give it a little quick swipe and blend it out nicely. In that way, it will look really nice and flawless after you cure. Doesn't look like lumpy, bumpy. Looks flawless. All right, so now I want to cure this one for 60 seconds, and this now will be done.
All right, now it's time for foil on that one.
This one, we are going to do some foil. Let's see how this one is gonna do to us. I have this piece of foil. I got it from this. Which one do I got? If you have one of this designer chamfer foil, this one is cool though. I really want to do the rose. Isn't rose cool though? And I'm gonna like crinkle it. Okay. My tweezer. Love this tweezers. Huh?
Haven't done this one in a while.
Yeah, this one is, I love this, cool techniques, fun.
Count it. Like that? Yep. Keep that.
You can do gold, you can do silver, you can do this one I'm using is rose gold, or you can do any color you would like. It doesn't have to be this color. It just happened that I like to pick. Sorry. And now I'm gonna do more if I want more. I just want to give it background. Sorry, my nail just come off. Put it back in. Just come off of my tacky. I'm going to put it right back in. Oh, good. Nice. And put some more. Good. This one is done. We'll put it on the side. And I am going to using Weaver gels, which is the silver. This one is a little bit messy right here. Can I get the other piece of paper? This one? No, just one. Too much. Try not to get too much paper because you guys can't read it because this paper is white. And if I open this and it's like this one, can you take it away? Oh, I just drop it. And I get 4 toothpicks together. And now I'm gonna give it a little bit few strokes. Pick this one up. I don't know, you can see on my side right here. just pick it up, and it's give you like, you can do this with white, and you can do with silver, you can do with black. Gold looks stunning too. You can do with darker colors, or you can do it with so I'm gonna clear, flash clear for 30 seconds. And if you do with the whites, or even with this, and if you want to have a neons on it, make sure you put the top coat first. Then you do a weaver gel, then you can put the pigments on. It's gonna be stunning. We put this one on the side with the cap. And next, we're gonna using condensed glue gels. It's so excited. Today is gonna be really cool, stunning, simple, easy. I'm always saying it because even for any of you never done like all different crystal placements, any funds decorate for the nails, you not gonna afraid of that you can't achieve this look. So I am going to apply. If you know where you are going to place your crystal, then you can absolutely just apply your condensed glue gel to exactly the spots that you want to. But if you don't, like me, I just always add more stuff in as I do. All right, so one layer of condensed glue gel. Make sure you blend it really nicely. If the first time you're using it, is you feel really thick density, but it's normal. And we're gonna do a no wipe top coat and floating one coat on the top. And you're gonna start doing some crystal placement. Oh, maybe I should do this, huh? Should I?
That's perfect.
This one I banded earlier. If you haven't seen me banding this, I done quite a few times for a lot of you. So I'm just using frame bender. So then if you have your frame need to bend, it's like along with the C curve for the nails, then check it out, that frame bender.
Yeah, so we can show them why you curing that nail.
Okay, I will show everyone while we're doing it that nails. So you see me do a lot and like a cuticles area. Now I'm gonna do is right in the middle of the nail, so then you have a lot of ideas, different way, different spot that you're gonna place your crystal. It doesn't have to be necessary, just right. Oh my god, I'm thinking about that. Sarah, I can't wait for you to do the obsidian's charms. I know that she creates a lot of cool designs. If you haven't get chance to follow Sarah, is Nails by Sarah the Choice. She got a lot of cool ideas. I'm like really impressed. Learned so much, inspired so much from her. Some phone. I was like something. Hi Tammy. Hi Keijo Lily. Hi mommy, how are you? And I'm doing it right in the center of the nails. I love the little bit background. This one is really like fancy because it has like silver, rose gold. It's had everything. Sound like something style. You know what it is? Yeah. Hold on. I feel like it's crooked to me. I could be wrong. Alright, so I actually am placing the beads close and tight and right next to my crystals. I think it's good. I am going to cure this one for 60 seconds if you're happy with this. I think I feel it's crooked, but do you think? Alright, cure this one. 60 seconds. Can I have some other special shape from our anniversary kits? Maybe I pick this one.
Okay, why over?
Here we go. I can't pick it from the tray. Okay, good.
Anything else?
And then probably I need one more.
Purple?
I'm planning to do neon, but I said, wait a minute, why I didn't do neon today at all?
One purple shot. So it's a diamond shot there.
Okay, what this one because I didn't push
This
it.
side. Lip back.
It's okay.
Got it?
I got it. Thank you.
You probably pushing the bend
And before we move on to the next one, as usual, I am gonna double secure this one first before we move to the third nails. So you feel right here is, if you're feeling it like your clients also feel it as well, scratchy. So they're gonna squeeze just a little bit of your precision glue. The little go a long way. And it's gonna be like filling in all the gaps and cracks of the crystals. And I'm gonna using twin tip brush and wipe it off. Sarah, now I can't wait until I can watch your tutorial. All right, so here for 60 seconds and this nail will be done. We did these two nails. I just want to get a really quick, simple and easy theme for everyone today. Hope to give you some ideas for your contact. It's still going on. I think it's gonna be end like tonight, so submit everything in. So if you are still working on it, you still have time. And
midnight Pacific time tonight.
is at midnight at Pacific time. So you have plenty of time if
So
you're
that's
in.
2 a.m. Central Time and 3 a.m. Eastern Time.
Okay. Oh, everyone, I want this look. Are you get tired of a chamfer foil yet? I'm gonna do another chamfer foil.
It's like same piece style. Like
Okay, same piece. The reason it today, okay, here's a content today is not because I don't want to do a lot of things, but here is a content and message for all of you who's the nail art lover or nail technicians or is beginners or is advanced nail techs. Like for instance, if you have only one thing to do, create the nail art, what you're gonna do, like if you have limits of what you have, so work with what you have, which is that exactly I want to share with you. So here another look of this chamfer foil. And I am gonna show this one first.